Hello. I'm going to talk a bit about how to stick to your diet when you've got a dangerous grandma that wants to feed you up all the time.
When you've got a dangerous grandma.
You're a dangerous grandma. Always wants to feed me cake and biscuits.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, the easiest, or a dangerous mum, whatever your situation is. So, the easiest way to make a cut or a diet easy on family members that like to cook for you is to just, well, what I do is I just ask for chicken and veg, and that's it. So, you don't make me chips, do you?
Nope.
You don't make me anything that's really too high in fat. So, I just tend to ask for chicken and veg, so that way, what did you make me today?
Chicken, veg, baked potato, and you had a drop of gravy, didn't you?
Gravy, with it, which was made with a chicken chasseur packet. Yeah. So if you're using MyFitnessPal, it means that I can still scan the packet into my phone, and then obviously I just assume that I've had half the packet or a third of the packet if there was some gravy left in the pan, which there was. So, yeah, it's as easy as that. Just ask for chicken and veg, or fish and veg, or whatever you prefer, and don't eat biscuits or cake. Even when they say, what do you say? Oh, he's on a diet. He's on a diet.
Now I've got this, and I've got that, and I've got the other.
I've got biscuits, I've got cake.
No way, Gran.
Yeah, just don't have a little bit, because if I have one biscuit, then I'll have 5, and that has happened plenty of times there as well. So just say, don't give me any dessert. I sometimes say it very loudly so you don't ask me again. I say, no! Yeah, so just eat chicken and veg. And then they can't...
Mind you, the size of your dinner, you don't need anything else.
No, she did me 2 chicken breasts, so that, yeah, to be fair.
And they weren't small.
No, 2 big chicken breasts. A big, well, it was like a big new potato, roast potato, and loads of veg on the side with some gravy. So it's not like... They can't do too much damage with that. I think the entire thing came to like 700 calories. Plus with 2 chicken breasts, it was 100 plus grams of protein. But only 6 grams of fat.
Right.
100 grams of protein,
well,
6 grams of fat.
I should imagine there's no fat in the breast, is there?
No, because they're very lean.
That's right, yeah.
But chicken leg meat, very high in fat.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah?
I've just had the drumsticks.
There you go. Gran had the drumsticks, I have the breast, see? So they'll give in eventually and they'll get on board, but yeah.
And how many meals have you had today? Is that the only one?
This is my 3rd meal.
Your 3rd?
3rd meal, yeah.
So what did you have at first?
I had, before I go to the gym, I have my carbohydrate meals, which is things like bread or oats or potatoes and stuff like that. So I had a bagel.
Right.
For my breakfast, I had a bagel with 5 chicken sausages on it. So right. Chicken sausages lower in fat.
Yeah.
So I had chicken sausages.
Well, in fact, you're just having no fat at all, are you?
Yeah, very little fat. I have 60 grams of fat a day, but I have 230 grams of protein.
Yeah.
And when I'm training...
how long are you allowed, excuse me, to stay on that?
What do you mean what do you mean?
Yeah, all the time. Can you just eat that all the time, or...? I
can eat that at the beginning of the day. I can eat that at any time of day. So, but what I'll do is things that are things that are more sugary, like cereal or scones or something like that.
Yeah.
I'll tend to eat them before the gym because it gives you more energy in the gym.
All right.
Because it digests very quickly.
Aye, sugar, yeah.
But things like fat and protein digest more slowly. So I'll have like a higher carbohydrate meal before the gym.
Right.
And then I'll have something a bit more proteiny afterwards, like a big chicken meal that you just made me. So there you go, there's that stick to your diet with a dangerous grandma knocking around in the wings. So say bye to everyone, Grandma. Say bye to everyone.
Yeah, bye for now.
Bye for now.
Till next time.
Till next time. Cheers, Gran.
Till next time.
It's good that, thanks, Gran.